about to go take this palladium catalyst and go grind it up with something else. I'm not sure what we're doing, so I'm not doing it.
We're about to weigh and add the alkene to our palladium catalyst.
This whole side over here can be used for the transfer, okay? After you weigh out the stuff in the balance, move over to this side.
To R.
Why don't you guys move over this way? Yeah. And I got the pestles over here for you to use. I got a scissor to cut anything.
Well, we need to add a little bit more than that, don't we?
Just spread out.
Make sure you add it gently
Yeah.
so we don't lose any.
0.11.
Very good.
We need to take a little bit out of there.
0.109.
Oh, 0.109.
We have 0.107 for the other.
Well,
So that
this one
should
should
be
be
good.
100 megs. Is it 107 megs?
100 megs is 0.1 grams.
So when you get this to another place, you can spread that out.
Gotcha.
And then you can add the catalyst spread out, and then you can use your spatula, right? And then you'll use the pestle.
To grind it up.
Right.
Okay, so it's in the morning. Don't put that in our video.
Looks like brown sugar cinnamon.
I'm gonna put that on my toast in the morning. Get a little hydrogenation going for the day. They say Wheaties are for breakfast. They don't know. Okay, let's go. Let's go. And we're mixing.
And we're still mixing.
And there's just.
We're gonna have to make a pretty good video.
Can you do that on your computer?
Yeah, I can do some cool shit.
Someone said they're making perfect.
I can't use that now. I was like, oh, it's so good, and then you're like, yeah, it's a perfect crack. I gotta make the perfect crack.
Alright. I think we can get.
Dun dun dun.
I'm gonna let you do the rest of the.
Does it go?
Yep.
We are continuing to grind our catalyst and alkene. Had a little mix up,
This time the right way.
but we fixed it, repeated what we did, and we're catching up.
That's right. Let's look at this little technique here. Look at that grinding going on. That is some fine grinding.
You gotta make sure that it all stays on this piece of paper.
And not that other piece
Not
of
this
paper.
one.
That's right, because you're a good chemistry student.
And excellent. I'm a Starbucks champion.
This is the Starbucks champion right here. Making us a nice little mixture going on. Well, we'll meet you back whenever we fill up our balloon with hydrogen.
Dun, dun, dun.
That
Spin vane is added, and I'm about to go get some hydrogen in that balloon right there.
We are Marshall, and we can
hydrogenate. We now have our balloon filled with hydrogen attached to our needle using parafilm to make sure it's a good seal. So now we're ready to purge.
Alrighty, I just stick this in here like this.
Yep, and put the other pink needle in there too.
So that it's going in, coming out.
We now have our purging apparatus set up with the hydrogen coming in through here. And then we have our pink needle right there that lets it out. And the alkene and palladium catalyst inside is becoming hydrogenated. We now have quit purging and added just the hydrogen, and we're going to spin and stir for around 40 minutes. There's still some on the sides, but it's slowly turning into a liquid. Okay, so we're about ready to be done with the stirring. We're about to add 4 milliliters of hexane to this, trying to rinse the oil that's stuck on the side. We're going to keep stirring and add 2 more 2 milliliters portions of hexane just to rinse, and then we are going to use a vacuum filtration to recover the product. And unlike most hydrogenations. We're trying to recover the liquid, not the solid. And there's our hexane. We have 8 milliliters. And I'm going to go prepare the TLC plate. This is our product prior to the filtration. It's pretty good. Looks pretty clear, pretty pure. Can't beat it. We're going to go use that, the roto evaporator, to isolate the product.